everyone, and welcome to week 2. We have quite a lot of homework this week, so I'm just going to get right to it in this welcome video. So below this video, you're going to see two content folders, Chapter 2, Informational, and Chapter 3. In the Chapter 2, you're going to see, just like you did last week, you're going to see a PowerPoint presentation, information on Chapter 2, what pages you need to read, and then an informational sheet. At the very bottom of that, you will also find a supplemental file folder that has extra resources in it. Those are just movies. I didn't create those movies, but they're great to watch if you need extra help. The Chapter 3 folder is set up exactly the same way. The other part of this is that all of your homework, just like we did last week, is all done in MyLab IT. So you're going to do the reading, the simulation for Chapter 2 and 3. The simulations are kind of fun. They don't take you that long. You'll probably want to chunk out a good 40 minutes of your time for Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. And then you've got a couple of assignments with those. They're called grader projects. With that said, you also have another one called the Table of Contents. If you need help, you know where to go. Ask Dr. Barnes a Question tab located in Blackboard. It's relatively easy, but because there's 2 chapters, you'll probably spend the better half of a day trying to get most of your homework done. Lastly, you also have a practice geometrics test for Word. Don't just do one. You can do one, and I will get your own score for that, and I'll plug that into Blackboard for you. But those projects that are set up in geometrics, or there's trainings and there's exams, do as many as you can before you actually go over to the testing center to take your Microsoft Office Word exam. They're practice exams, and they are set up exactly the way the Microsoft Office Word exam will be set up. In fact, I've heard from some students that they think that the geometrics exams and trainings are a little bit more challenging than the actual Microsoft Office test itself. Either way, do more than one. I would say do as many as you can in the training and the exam portion, and try to pass a minimum of 4 with 70% or higher. I've already sent your names over to the assessment center, so you're able to take that Microsoft Office exam when you're ready. Lastly, your research paper outline is due this week. At the very bottom of the weekly learning module week 2, you will see a link. You just click on that, and then you upload your paper to Blackboard. All right, I'm looking at my notes here, and I don't see anything else to let you know what's coming down the pipeline. If I've missed something, I'll post it in the announcements page. Otherwise, have a great week. Go ahead and get started on your homework sooner than later. Try not to procrastinate too hard this week, because we do have a lot this week. All right, let me know if you've got questions. Everyone have a great week, and good luck.